Get ready with me as a hairstylist on my way to the salon using the new Bondi Boost infrared round brush. Brushing it through and then sectioning the hair. This bad boy turns on super fast with a nice extra long cord. Now you can use this tool for so many hairstyles, but today I'm going to be doing a bit more of a soft, blow-dried, bouncy feel, but a bit more on the flickier, softer side. We're going to smooth the ends down, really heat them up, wait for about 5 seconds. Then we take it out, do a little twist around the finger, and oh my God, look how bouncy this is. I'm honestly obsessed. I think no one can go wrong with this. You can do a quick little spruce up if you're in a rush in the mornings on dry hair. And hi, bouncy curls. Wow. Now, hairstylist tip. To get that nice bouncy fringe or curtain bang, we're going to round brush the hair back up off the face. Flip the hair upside down. Do a little fluff around. Well, voila. Then we're going to do a little blending. So brushing the hair back into the rest of it, maybe using a wide tooth comb, or I'm using a brush. And then we're just going to keep fluffing the hair, get some volume in there, aerating it. And oh, never thought I was a side part girl, but hello.